There isn't a single correct way to hold the needles when you're knitting, so experiment to see what feels comfortable for you. Both hands are used equally, so whether you're left-handed or right-handed, the important thing is that the needles and yarn make the right sequence of movements together, knitting the stitches on the left needle and passing them over to the right needle. Some people like to hold the yarn in their right hand. This style of knitting is called throwing, because of the way the right hand loops the yarn around the needles. It's also known as English knitting. Others prefer to hold the yarn in the left hand. In this method, the needle in the right hand scoops up the yarn from the left hand to form each stitch. This method is often called picking, and it's also known as continental style knitting.